Just 1,000 naira, you can make over 15,000 naira to over 20,000 naira from this platform just playing games. Now here on my dashboard, you can see I currently have just 15,000 naira which I have made from playing games on this platform, and I am about to withdraw this money right now into my OP account. So the first thing you do is when you come over to the account section, which you can see down here, you hit on the withdrawal option. Okay, then you can either withdraw via bank card or USDT, but I would advise you to use the bank card option for your withdrawal. Okay, so you just hit on add bank account number, then you select your bank, which you can search for any bank. I'll be using the OP. All right, so I'll be using OP for this. Now you further put in your bank account name, then your bank account number, which of course is your OP number with the initial zero absent, then your phone number, then your address. So make sure to cross check everything and make sure they are right. Then you can add. Now after adding your bank account details, now you can further proceed to withdraw your money. I'll be placing the withdrawal of 14,000 naira, so that I'm going to be playing games with 1,000 naira and raising this up again. So I'll hit on the withdraw button, then enter my login password. All right, then I confirm withdrawal. So you can see the withdrawal has been successfully confirmed and will be completed within 2 hours. So all I need to do is just to wait for this withdrawal to drop, and then I would have access to my money in my OP account. So guys, I just checked my OP and I can see that I have received my 14,000 naira, which was withdrawn from the FB99 platform. As you can see right here, this money was successfully transferred, and if I head over to the platform right now, you're going to see that my transaction would be successful under my withdrawal history. Okay, if I check on my withdrawal history, you can see that this transaction has been completed. That's to show you that this platform is legitimate and this platform pays. It did not take less than 30 minutes for the withdrawal to arrive. Okay, so you can go ahead to deposit into this platform, start playing these games. All right, and you can get the link to the platform via the link on my bio and to the Telegram group where you can get these signals so that you can win from this platform. Now to deposit on this platform is also easy. You just hit on the deposit option. Okay, then you select which channel you want to deposit through. Okay, we have the SH, which is from 1,000 to 10,000, then to 10 million. All right, so make sure you use the SH channel. Okay, then down below you can pick any amount you want to deposit. If it's 1,000 you want to deposit, if it's 3,000 you can put that, if it's 2,000 you can manually put that. Okay, then once you do that, you hit on the deposit. Okay, so it will show you the account details in which you can send your money to. All right, and then you copy the information and they will receive this payment. So just follow the instructions as you can see on this page to get your deposit into the platform successfully. So now that I've talked about the withdrawal and the deposit, which I believe these are the most important things to get your money out and to also get your money in to play games, now let's go over to the home section where you can see a lot of games available for you to play and make money out of. And I can tell you that these games are interesting and fun to win. Now if you go over to the activity section, all right, if you go over to the activity sections, you can see things like gift, bonus, all right, and so many of these stuffs you can see right there. All right, now if you go towards the down side of the home section, you're going to see the activities and you're going to see how amount people are winning. You can see someone has won over 1,960 naira, over 375 naira, 400 naira, 50 naira, 250 naira, and you can see the top leaders. You can see the top ranking leaders from the gold, silver, okay, and bronze, and you can see them right there who has over 283,000 naira which has been won from this game. This is an amazing opportunity. So you just need to scroll up. When you scroll up, you hit on lottery. So when you hit on lottery, you're going to see that there is 4 games here which you can guess number. Okay, you can guess number big, small, even, odd. You can guess number green, red, purple to win. You can guess number big, small, even, odd, and also you can guess number green, red, purple to win. So you can choose any out of these games, all right, to make money from this platform. So we are going to use the first one, and you can see right there, this is it. All right, you can see right there, this is it, and it's a very simple thing. Okay, it's a very simple thing. You can see you can set your winning on time. Okay, there is the 1 minute timer, 3 minute timer, 5 minute timer, 10 minute timer, depending on how you want to wait for your result. So first of all, you can, okay, I will just trade with the 1 minute. Okay, I'm just going to be playing this game with the 1 minute. All I simply need to do is to wait for the timer. All right, then you select the color green. Okay, you either select green. All right, you choose the amount you want to use, whether 10 naira, whether 100 naira, whether 1000 naira. All right, and then you can now decide to play this game. Okay, so we're just going to hit on green, place our bet on 100. All right, make the quantity 2x. Okay, we want to make 200 naira from this win. All right, then once we do that, all right, that is the total amount. Then we select any random number here that you would assume that will come out for a win. Now there is a Telegram group where you're going to be receiving short signals, okay, so that you'll be able to trade, or you'll be able to play this game on this platform and win. Now you can see right here that I have played over 400 naira on this game, and all I simply need to do is to wait for a win. Nice, guys, you can see right now that I just won over $392 playing this game, and you can see that the result came out as green, just like I selected. All right, and you can see my balance has now been updated to 992 naira. So you keep on playing this game and you keep on winning from this game. So make sure to play with what you can afford. Okay, don't go all in, so that you'll be able to have more money to play for more games and win from it.